Get ready to meet the real hero of the seas, the USCG-47 MLB, the standard lifeboat of the United States Coast Guard. It's not just any boat, it's a real workhorse, designed to tackle the toughest search and rescue missions in the most treacherous conditions Mother Nature can throw at it. This 47-feet-long boat can cruise at a speed of 25 knots and defy all the hurricane-force winds, heavy seas, and surf of up to 20 feet high. With 11 separate watertight compartments and a sealed buoyancy tank, this vessel is practically unsinkable.